So starting with how to form a grid. Okay. So how we will start is first we need to measure a circle of 8 centimeters radius. Okay. So the paper, I'm sorry, I forgot. The paper that I'm using for today's class is a printing sheet, a normal A4 size sheet. There are a lot of surfaces that this art form can work on. So you can do it on canvas, you can do it on walls, you can do it on different surfaces. All that can, in essence, more or less explain the same. But the paints that you use, all that will change according to the surf that you're applying of radius. And I'm creating a circle. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
I
your
just
voice
read.
was
Am I
breaking.
audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible now. Can you please repeat that once
Sure,
again?
sure. The circle I'll repeat. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring 8 centimeter of radius, and I'm creating one circle. Okay. So this is the size of my outermost circle. Okay. Now the next circle, so I am creating 4 concentric circles for today's mandala. So I'll be giving the next circle will be 6 centimeters radius. Okay. Second circle is 6. Third circle, I'm giving a little bit more space between the two circles, and sorry, I'm taking 3 centimeters radius for the third circle. Okay. And the fourth circle will be 2 centimeters. So once you are like you've made a few mandalas and you will understand the rhythm that it has and how we can use that rhythm to create a mandala of your choice. So it is something that we can uh, practice. And once you understand what kind of mandalas suit you, you can always make more of those, and I'd be happy to help you understand them in detail. So once these four circles are ready, one is 8, 6, 3, and 2. Okay, these are the radiuses. I will just draw a line through the center of this circle, a horizontal line. Okay. Can you just let me know in the chat if everyone has, reached this point? Then I will move on to the next point.
Yes, guys, just write it down if you have completed till now, so ma'am can
Okay.
move further.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, so I'll just go to the next step. So what we need to do is you need to align the center of the protractor to the center of the circle. Okay. And you need to mark every 10 degrees on the protractor. Just mark it on the circle. Okay, like that you need to do on both the sides of the circle. Okay, every 10 degrees. So for a grid also, actually, it is varied from mandala to mandala, depending on what kind of mandala you're wanting to make. So there are different types of grids that we make for those. I'll be teaching you just the basic one today. Then what you need to do is you need to join these dots to the center of the circle. Okay. Next. All the lines have to go and touch the center of the circle. Okay. So I'm drawing just the 1/4 of the entire mandala, but if you're drawing the complete grid, so this is how it will look around the circle. Okay. So coming to drawing the patterns here, again, to create like the characteristic that we were discussing earlier. So all these mandalas have a centric pattern. Like if you see, they're all converging towards the center of the circle. Okay. So that is how we achieve, like with a grid, when you draw this, if you notice that these patterns, these each block, each this area is all symmetrical. It is of equal size. Okay. So all these are the features which basically ensure that your end product, your mandala, is symmetrical and it is something which radiates energy. Okay. So starting with the patterns, so I'll take my pen and I'll be starting with the innermost circle. Okay. So how I like to work is I finish my patterns like this portion of the character, this portion of the mandala first. So I'll create the patterns and motifs for the entire, like all the circles. And then I'll come back circle wise and use fillers to give a shape and depth to the mandala, like I have in mind. Okay. So starting with the innermost circle, what I'll do is I'll take two of these arcs and I'll create a petal. Okay. Okay. So this is the first circle. Then I'll just close that circle from with the pen as well. Coming to the second one, what I'll do is I'll be taking these two, the tops of these two, and I'll be creating a pattern, which is this. Okay, the fourth pattern that we saw here. Okay. I'm basically trying to limit myself in this. Okay, so this will be my second. Coming to the third circle, what I'm doing is I'll be repeating this pattern and I'll be using 4 of these quadrants and making one pattern.